Hello and welcome to Digit. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the TP-Link AC750 router. The model name happens to be Archer C20. This is a dual band router as it's stated on the packaging, with one band giving 433 Mbps and the other giving 300 Mbps. It's also a 3-in-1 device, so you can use the router in 3 different configurations as an access point, a range extender, and a router itself. Let's remove the packaging on the top so that it's easier for us to read the rest of the stuff on the packaging. With that out of the way, we'll move to one side where we can see the setup instructions for the Archer C20. You can either use the intuitive web interface or switch to the TP-Link Tether app, which you can find on either app store. There's a little QR code at the bottom for you to get that. On the other side, you have a listing of all the features, specifications, as well as the package contents. On the back side of the packaging, you can see the different ports that are present on the router, and it also states the different uses for which you'd have for all those devices or other ports. And on the left side, you have the 3.1 configuration again being explained more clearly, whether you want to set it up in a router mode, access point mode, or extender mode. And that's about it for the packaging. Let's start with the unboxing. With the box out of the way, you have the router in the center and the power supply. We'll pull both of these out. There are a couple of documentation pamphlets and even an Ethernet cable inside. So this is your GPL license. That's because the firmware in the router is under the GPL license. Then you have the quick installation guide, which would have all the details regarding how you can set it up, the different modes that you can set it up under, as well as the different LED indicator lights on the front and what they mean. The Ethernet cable that they've provided happens to be 100 megabit cables. You can identify that by looking at the number of wires that are actually connected. Then you have the router itself. It's got a navy blue shiny palette on the top. 3 antennas that are foldable and fixed, so you can't remove them. On the underside, you have 2 mounting holes, a little bit of information regarding the router, including the login details as well as the power supply metrics. And on the rear, you have the different ports. This includes the power jack, power button, reset hole, Wi-Fi or WPS on-off button, your WAN port, and 4 Ethernet ports. And that's about it. This was the unboxing of the TP-Link Archer C20 wireless router. If you'd like us to do similar unboxings of network products, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching.